Hello friends, today I am Ruchi Saini and I am going to discuss with you class 11th topic poster writing that will come in 5 marks for this term 2 annual examination. So let us start friends. A poster is a very useful means of making an announcement or appeal. First of all, we have to discuss that we have to learn that what is a poster and why we write it. So friends, a poster is a very useful means of making any announcement. If we want to make any announcement publicly, so we can or we should use the uh, content of poster making or appeal. For appeal also, we can use poster writing, issuing a notice, advertising a product, or bringing about awareness on any issues of public interest. If we want to bring any awareness, like if we want to bring awareness about how to conserve water, सो वी कैन सो हाउ टू कंजर्व वाटर, हम वाटर को कैसे कंजर्व कर सकते हैं. सो इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट. हाउ कैन वी ब्रिंग अवेयरनेस अमंग द पब्लिक टू कंजर्व वाटर. Or if we want to advertise our any product, so we can take the help of poster writing in that case. A poster is always prepared with a particular target. So guys, poster should be prepared with a particular target. First of all, the target should be clear in our mind कि हम किस टॉपिक पे पोस्टर लिखने जा रहे हैं. दैट टॉपिक and that target should be very much clear in our mind, keeping the audience in mind. Or what we have to do, we have to keep in mind the demand of the audience, what the general public demanded. So it very clearly mentions the theme or the topic. So poster should be clearly mentioned the theme or the topic on which we have to write, the schedule of an event and the occasion for it. So the poster should be clear in communicating the intent message in an easily readable manner. So guys, poster should be clear, poster making should be clear, and it should give us the clear communication about the message that we want to give through our poster. And it should be readable होना चाहिए, easily readable होना चाहिए, and it has to be captivative means eye catching. It should be eye catching, attractive and persuasive, so as to influence a large number of people. So it should be eye catching, it should be attractive, it should be readable, easily readable, so that the general public can influence or can attract towards it. So let us take the types of posters. Types of posters, guys, there are two types of posters. First of all, we can discuss first one, for awareness of a social problem. If we want to discuss any social problem, regarding the awareness of the social problem, guys, friends, so we can these all details, these all points should be clear in our poster. These all points should be mentioned in our poster. First of all, details associated with the theme. Whatever the theme will be, the details should be associated with that theme only. Next is effect of the problem. Whatever problem we are facing regarding the social, regarding any general problem, any general issues like population crisis, drugs addiction, save water, save life, save environment, so the effect of the problem should be mentioned in that poster. Next is solution to the problem. We have to give the solution to the problem also, and any additional useful information if we want to give, we can give in the poster making. Next type of poster is that for an event. If we have to write if we have to make the poster on any event, so what we have to add, Name of the event, first of all, date, time, venue where the event will took place, that date, time and venue. Next, highlights of the event. What are the highlights of the events? Highlights means आपके event में क्या क्या include है, what all should be included in your event, what all what all topics, what all points you have to highlight in your events. क्या आप हाईलाइट करना चाहते हो अपने इवेंट्स में? तो आप जो इवेंट कंडक्ट करने जा रहे हैं उसमें क्या मेन हाइलाइट्स रहेंगे, क्या मेन पॉइंट्स रहेंगे, वो क्लियर होना चाहिए. पर्पस of the event, why are you conducting that event, so what is the purpose behind that, it should be clear. So entry tickets, passes, if any entry tickets, any passes should be arranged, so it should be mentioned that the entry ticket for the children will be up to rupees that, and entry ticket for the elder ones up to rupees that. Next is any other relevant information if you want to add regarding the particular event, you can add. Next, friends, come on the important points. Important points regarding the poster writing. First of all, a poster is designed to be put up at a public place, so it should be designed in such a way that it catches the attention of the passers by. First of all, student, the main point, friends, is that a poster is designed to be put at a public place. हम poster design करते हैं, so we can put that poster at a public place, so more and more passers by can see that poster. So it should be designed in such a way, उस ऐसे वे में डिज़ाइन होना चाहिए दैट इट कैचेज द अटेंशन ऑफ द पासर्स बाय, कि जो भी वहाँ से निकल रहा है, जो भी वहाँ से गुजर रहा है, पासर्स बाय मीन्स जो भी वहाँ से जनरल पब्लिक वहाँ से जो भी निकल रही है उसकी अटेंशन को वो कैच करे. इतना अट्रैक्टिव, इतना डिज़ाइनर वो होना चाहिए पोस्टर का लुक. Second main point is a poster should have bigger bold capital letters because it is read by the public from a distance. So a poster should be the letters should be bigger. Somewhere we have to use the bigger one, somewhere we have to use the bold letters, capital letters, so that it should be easily readable by the public from a distance also. Okay, next point is a poster should not have any extra or irrelevant matter. Poster में students, my dear friends, we should not add any extra or irrelevant matter in the poster. We should only use the up to the exact points of the related events. Next, a poster can be made more catchy by using phrases, slogans, attractive language. If we use phrases, some slogans, some attractive language, some bold letters, some bigger letters, capital letters, so it can make our poster more catchy, more attractive. Next is always put a poster in a box. It is the most important thing, friends, that after writing the poster we should put it in a box. Next, remember not to use any short forms. Not to use any short forms. Okay, we have to use the complete sentences, not any short forms. Next and last but not the least, always fit the poster on one page. Try to make your poster on one page only. आप ट्राई कीजिए कि पोस्टर आपका एक ही शीट पर बने, नेक्स्ट शीट तक वो ना जाए, एक ही शीट आप यूज़ करें पोस्टर को ड्रॉ करने के लिए. आई एम गिविंग वन एग्जाम्पल लाइक सेव वाटर सेव लाइफ. ओके, मुझे सेव वाटर पे एक पोस्टर डिज़ाइन करना था, सो आई मेड दिस वन. आई कैन राइट द हेडिंग विद द बाय द यूज ऑफ पेंसिल. विद द यूज ऑफ पेंसिल आप इसको ब्लैक पेन से भी हाईलाइट करके लिख सकते हैं कैपिटल लेटर्स में, जिससे आपका पोस्टर जो है अट्रैक्टिव लगेगा. सेव वाटर सेव लाइफ. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज वाटर इज द एसेंस ऑफ लाइफ. वाटर लेवल गोइंग लो dangerously year by year. Okay, so we have to save water, we have to make poster on save water. हमें सेव वाटर सेव लाइफ पर पोस्टर डिजाइन करना था. सो हमने लिखा वाटर इज द एसेंस ऑफ लाइफ. वाटर इज द एसेंस मीन्स टॉनिक ऑफ अवर लाइफ. सो वाटर लेवल गोइंग लो dangerously year by year. We all know that year by year water level is going low only. So apply. Next, in next line I used again the pencil. You can use here the black pen also. Apply rainwater harvesting. Don't let rainwater run waste. Preserve it in tanks and ponds. So here we are discussing the main point that how can we conserve the water. So don't let rainwater run waste. Preserve it in tanks and ponds. Save this gift of nature for the coming generation. For our future generation we have to save this gift of nature also. So at last we have to end this poster by issued by. If this poster is going to be issued by some authority, so can you write, so you can write like this: issued by National Agriculture Organization Rajasthan. If any authority name is given in your question, so you can use that name also. And some drawing you can use, some bubbles like you can use here in the poster of save water. You can use like this bubble, this drops of water you can use here. So and after writing the poster, put it in a box like this. So you can see that my poster came on one point only, on one page it's completely comes. Okay, thank you friends and have a nice day.